Introducing free leash connector. Easier leash connector to its collar with ease. E-ring to attach the leash or connector allows you to on the collar with ease by slipping the leash's snapple of the leash connector until you decide to remove it. First between the collar and your on the collar to create separate pet's neck. Depress connector and then slip a hooking motion and ensure there is a good to remove. Slip one or your pet's neck. Pull up the clip, then gently push forward and simultaneous hooking motion. Turn any leash into a slip the clip and then hook the leash itself.